Hey everybody, this is Mike, coming to you from beautiful Portland, Oregon. We have a beautiful sunny day today. We don't get a lot of days like that here in the Northwest. About to head out to the beach with the family. But before I do, I make sure I'm ready. And for that, I pick these up. 16-foot AAA booster cables. These things are heavy duty. They're AAA certified, color coordinated, long enough so if you're caught by the side of the road, or God forbid on the side of the highway, you don't have to worry about it because you're ready. When I'm on the road, I want to know I don't have to worry about what happens if I get caught on the road. AAA, 16-foot, AAA cables. Be prepared.